Hey team, this is Jed, just out here in gorgeous Boise, Idaho. Just going to talk a little bit about these Toyo Open Country AT3s that I got mounted up just a few days ago. I have them in the 245/65 on 17-inch rims. The road noise of these tires is zero. They are dead silent when it comes to highway and road noise. I love it. The girlfriend loves it. The ride quality is amazing. They are not harsh at all. They are forgiving but not sloppy either. I'm running 37 psi in these, and that seems to be a good balance right now at the moment. They're nice and comfortable on the pavement, and even here in the dirt you can see we're still getting some flex on dirt without having to drop the tire pressure like I would with a previous brand I've ran that much stiffer sidewalls. Being in Idaho, this is where we're at. This is 10 miles away from my house. Come out here and explore and test and play. Girlfriend and I love to mountain bike, ski in the winter, and also camp. We're building up a utility trailer to camp with, and so this thing will be towing that. You'll be seeing pictures of that soon. So let me know if you guys have any questions, but initial reviews, I am in love with these tires. Have a great day.